He is my opponent.
I filed that application before the trial. My submission
Application for stalling.
not stalling.
Then-
I object to examine that witness as a fresh witness. Because
Oh, yeah.
my submission is, my lord,
CBI.
how CBI
Sailing with me.
saying, Lord, 319 you lordship may kindly say, when the additional witnesses
No,
are
no,
brought in-
319, when additional witnesses are brought,
Sorry,
it is to
additional
be,
accused.
additional accused are brought back into the web of
That would be during
proceedings.
trial.
That is for trial. That is during
Not
trial.
Additional report. But if during trial, in addition to the accused who is before court, if they
Now,
roll.
when the additional report was sought or placed before the court, at what stage was the proceeding?
It was posted for prosecution argument.
313 statement.
Then
Meeting was over.
that very act is illegal.
Lord, unfortunately,
If you see,
330 statement.
no, Vinubhai's judgment, you see
Yes,
at
sir.
para 42, the Supreme Court says, till the framing of the charges and commencement of the trial, 173(8) is a permissible
Permissible.
exercise.
That's it. But
Beyond that, it is an illegal exercise.
yes.
Well, it warrants some consideration at your lordship's hands.
That is true. But
Interpret-
why 5 years agide? How can the government exercise 173(8) powers?
Have a look at the order. Have a look at what jurisdiction they have under 173(8). It is only the prerogative of the investigator, not that of the government. Kindly have a look at page 258.
No, government has excised this in other cases also.
Yeah, my lord, this, have a look at.
Further investigation. No,
ha-
to the, see, if it is a communication to the CBI on the application of the CBI, is it on an application of the CBI seeking
No.
for
No,
No,
quo moto?
no.
Lord,
The petition came to be dismissed.
Lord, they
That
sought
was
further
special
investigation. That was dismissed.
Wait, senior, yes, yes.
Special leave petition came to be dismissed. Subsequent thereto, my lord, the government passes this order. May I request your lordship to kindly turn to page 263 for a second?
This is the order.
Yes, my lord.
Accord sanction to the CBI. For further investigation in 302.
Further investigation, government gain the powers.
No, is this connected to something else? Has this anything to do with that Vinay Kulkarni's case?
Yes.
Yes.
Have a look at.
No, because that division bench has affirmed that.
Other courses.
Then I cannot go beyond that.
That is the reason, Lord, we have not raised.
I'm not on that
issue.
point.
We are not there.
I'm not on that point. That is why I said I suffered an order. That's okay, no problem.
Then division bench has considered all this. Supreme Court has also
Yes,
confirmed it.
that is why I'm not on that point. Now we are on the trial, that's it.
Now we are only on the manner in which the witnesses are examined. Lord, now it is numbered as PW1 and the documents are renumbered afresh.
You serve on the CBI. I'll post
But the
it.
trial is fixed only.
Yavaga.
It's
Next date. Sir.
8th. Evidence here.
evidence.
Your lordship may kindly postpone the recording evidence by 1 week. And your lordship may hear and dispose.
No, because that act I cannot, I cannot
No,
put
I'm
the
not-
clock back.
That's why I said I'm not on that point.
Division bench has considered
No,
it.
no, my lord. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಇರಿ, sir.
Sorry.
Wait.
I'm not on that point at all. Incidentally, since my lord asked me whether.
I know, that's what.
That's
No,
why
I was,
No, certainly I'm not on that point. I am ready to face the trial. There is absolutely no difficulty. But the procedure that is being followed by the trial court is certainly not in keeping with the settled legal position. That is all my submission here.
let's see. Let the CBI counsel come.
Please,
I'll take it tomorrow. You serve on him today.
please.
List on, heard the learned senior counsel, the CV Nagesh, appearing for the petitioner. 36, you know? What is 36?
Lord, 36, same order.
Alala, who are you there, sir? Co-accused?
I am accused number 1. Co-accused.
Ah.
You know, I
This will
comply
have
the
to
officer.
decide whether 216 permits
Yes.
all together a new trial.
Whether 216 permits retrial in a situation or under the facts and circumstances of this case. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ 330 statement ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಆಗ್ಲೇ. Arguments list ಆಗಿದೆ. Defense evidence and arguments, if any. Doesn't matter. My lord, consequently, an order which can be passed by the government, they would take up further investigation, and my grievance before this honorable court was not countenanced. An additional report has been filed. Now that is over. That chapter stands closed.
No,
the-
now all the chapters are closed except 216, what order is passed
Yes,
now.
yes, yes.
So we'll
That's it.
confine our consideration only to 216.
Does it come within the purview of 216 subclause 4, or he has got to take up the issue as mandated under section 217? That is recalling of witnesses.
Next date is 8th, alba.
8th.
Then I'll take it on the 5th.
But if there are new witnesses, in addition to the witnesses who are already examined, certainly the prosecution is entitled to examine them afresh.
We'll see.
Certainly they are entitled to. Ill.
Now, 173(8) excise, it is excise, new things are bought in and everything. How do you examine those witnesses who are necessary to prove the report that is there under 173(8)? No, how do you, is it not by bringing in new witnesses?
But I would rather submit from.
No,
the-
it's only.
Yes, from the result of
clarification.
investigation, what they say is 161 statement is recorded again
Hmm.
of those witnesses who were already examined before the court.
No, that chapter is over.
No, no.
because that also was argued, I guess.
Yes.
Hmm.
No, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಈಗ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿರೋದು.
ಹಾ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು. When I came to be examined earlier, what I have said is incorrect, inaccurate. Now I am going to tell you the truth. 161 statement.
Let's see. Yes.
That is how let him examine. I have no grounds, I have no grievance at all. Let that witness be examined. But it should be in continuation of the evidence which he has already given. Recall him and examine him.
De novo. L. Prasanna Kumar.
Not denow.
I'll take it on Monday.
Please, I'll.
This, you take notice.
Please.
This and that, heard the learned senior counsel, Sri C.V. Nagesh, appearing for the petitioner. The challenge at this juncture is limited to the impugned proceeding, whereby the concerned court grants permission to conduct a trial in terms of subsection 4 of section 216 of the CRPC and permits examination of witnesses as contemplated under section 230 and 231 of the CRPC. The learned senior counsel would submit that it is altogether the commencement of a new trial, and therefore this action of the learned of the concerned court runs contrary to law. The learned counsel, Sri P. Prasanna Kumar, is directed to accept copy kutra.
Okay.
Is directed to accept notice for the respondent. Go through the papers and the grounds urged therein and make his submissions Monday at 4 p.m. Monday is all right?
Trial court ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8th ಇದೆಯಂತೆ.
8th ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Monday.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ don't bring the witnesses on that day.
ಅಲ್ಲ, that can be done.
That can-
I will direct deferring if this
Yes,
is
that's
needed.
You kindly postpone it by 1 week. That's all. In the meantime, your lordship could certainly dispose it.
ಆಗಲೇ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ 3 months ಅಂತ ಆದೇಶ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Supreme-
ಇಲ್ಲ. No, I'm sorry, you are incorrect. I
The
was
Supreme Court direction is not there to conclude.
no Supreme Court direction, nor the direction of this court. I was the one who argued the matter. What this honorable court has said is, we request the trial court to dispose the case itself within 3 months. Anta. Request the court.
Request by higher court.
ಮತ್ತೆ
As good as a direction.
ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ,
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ Supreme Court judgment ಇದೆ, ಅದೇನು ನಾನು
that
ಹೇಳೋದು
request, at his instance, the matter is urgent more than 3 months.
Not
Now keeping
me.
the witnesses present,
Somebody.
third list, fourth
But
list.
what is this procedure?
I'll just not check. I do not know. I'm not representing. Not
True,
Prasanna.
but how is this?
ಏನು ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಯು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಐ ವರ್ ಟು ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಯೂರ್ ಟು ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲ್ವೇ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೇನಿಲ್ಲ
Then you take a week's time. I will defer this by a week. This
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
action of recording.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I am also,
ಬೇಡ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ
between
ಇರಲಿ.
that date only I will decide it. That's not an
Please.
issue. Then 8th ಇದ್ರೆ 8th ಒಳಗೆ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
Then I'll take it on 5th. That is Monday.
Please.
Monday at 4 p.m. we'll take it. Only on this issue.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ರಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್.
Only on this
Yes,
issue.
sir.
Let's not go back to the division bench, go back to the order,
Yes.
all that. Yes.
Yes.
Hmm. We'll decide it on that. Just get ready and tell.
Please.
Yes, sir. Monday, 4 p.m.
36, I may be permitted to comply office objection. That's a
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ,
That may be
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ
connected to this. Same.
Connected ಬೇಡ. List
Okay.
both 1 and 36 in not tagging but in seriatim on 4th. Office objections to be complied with, serial number 36 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, complied with by the next date.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Monday we will hear it and if need be, we will defer it on Monday.
Please.
Yes.
ಅವರು ಸಮನ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡೋಣ.
5th ಗೆ we will do it.
ಮಂಡೇ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, 5th
Not
ಗೆ if
whether
is-
my learned friend Mr. Prasanna
on
Kumar.
the 5th, if I am convinced either ways, we'll do it. Yes,
Certainly, my lord.
yes. yes.
Well, I don't know whether my learned friend is aware of what had transpired before the trial court on the previous date of hearing.
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
that is why I have asked him.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೊಲಿಗನ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
No, why precisely I asked, has this anything to do with Vinay Kulkarni's case? Supreme Court has directed conclusion. That is why I asked.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆಲ್ ವಿ ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನ್ ದಿ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ pursuant to the additional report which came to be filed by the investigator. Well, while